You got it! Quick! Hurry up! Quick! Oh, come on, you're gonna get soaking wet. Come on! I'm all right. Come on, get in.
You into music?
Yeah, I like country music, me.
Oh, that's it then. I'll pull up, shall I? No, you must like something else.
I like folk.
Folk? Fucking hell, it's getting worse.
Yes!
How do you know Sophia's family?
They're my tenants, but we become mates. Kids of your own?
Yeah, I've got four.
Oh, bloody hell. Who's that?
He's a friend. A fella?
3, 2,
1,
Go.
go.
Say it to the radio, say it to the radio, say it to the radio. 313, say it.
What's he doing in this house? What the fuck is this?
Sort down.
All right. That fucking Zorro in here.
He'd just be a bit overprotective about you and me.
You and...
Just you and me.
You and me? What, is that a...
It's not a thing.
I'm joking.
Everything you touch, there's no feeling.
We're separated. We live in the same house, or separate bedrooms.
You need something to keep you alive.
Just focus on that. Nothing else.
I like being here with you.
I like every part of you.
I'm a six-pack. Why didn't you tell me? She's telling you now.